Good morning, one and all present here. Today I am going to demonstrate the project on traffic sign detection, in which we are using this as a hardware part, in which we are using the MATLAB software part. Software part is as given in the code. The hardware part, in which we are using the LCD display to display the traffic sign detection, and this sign which we are using in the our project, like hump sign detection, no left, no right, and no U-turn, like that, to demonstrate or to display to the user, and which we are using the Arduino, in which we are using the Arduino. Arduino is a open source hardware and the software company project and the user community that design and manufacture the single board controller. It is a controller in which we are using for our project, and we are using the API kit for the audio play record, in which we are giving the first pre-record some commands to give the signal to the driver, and which we are using the speaker. This speaker is used for the signal for the driver that the vehicle is arriving, like that. And these are some of our hardware parts, in which we are using the speaker and some of the buses and Arduino microcontroller and the API kit, and we are using the some display. And in the software part, we are using the MATLAB software, as you know, software in which we are performing the blob. We are performing the blob analysis. Blob analysis means blob analysis, in which we are doing the sum of the operations, like we storing the all the data in a single case, in a single unit. And these are the sum of the software part, clear all, and the video frame rate. Video frame rate means the after capturing the data, we need to take the snapshot of that video to convert that snapshot into the images and convert that images to the grayscale, so that we can easily get the 256 into 256 resolution clear image. After the getting the resolution clear image, we can easily detect the traffic sign by using this hardware, so that the user can easily, within a shorter distance, they can easily detect the signal and alert the user, so that to avoid the much accidents and all, we are demonstrating this hardware and this software. This is totally called the traffic sign detection project. Hello, good morning. This is the traffic sign detection software part, in which we are using the software software as a MATLAB, and these are the some of the files in which we have our code, and we are performing the blob analysis as shown in the video, and we are performing the main sign detection. Main sign detection means finding all the signs, like hump sign detection, system speech, to give the speech to the user by the speaker, and these are our codes, and we are performing the video frame to cut the images into a single snapshots, and the hump sign detection, right sign detection, left sign detection, U-turn, like that. We are giving the signal to the user, so that the user can easily comes to know what is arriving in front of the vehicle, to avoid the accident and to give the signal very faster. We are using the image processing in this project, and we are using the embedded system IoT. By using these technologies, we are demonstrating this project, in which, as I have explained in the previous video, this is our hardware part and this is our software part. Now I am going to run this project. This is the running process, in which we have to select the sign detection and opening. We are having the sum of the pre-recorded videos which the developer has recorded. When we click on that video, like the pre-recorded video, this is just like when the vehicle is moving, the video is live captured. Today I will going to show you the output, how it will work, how it will demonstrate the project. As you can see, it is recognizing the traffic sign. The video is running. The vehicle is moving, and this is the grayscale. This is output, hump sign detected. As you can hear in this speaker also, and this video is giving the signal hump sign detection, and these are the some of the images we have pre-recorded. This is the complete our project. Thank you.